ॐ शङ्कारूपेण मच्चित्तं पङ्कीकृतमभूद्यया किङ्करेयस्य सामाया शङ्कराचार्यमाश्रये. Here are the solutions for 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8 and 1.9 exercises. So 1.5, I'll be selecting the third one. Kundrayasyare. Kundrayasyare. As was said in the previous video, where there are ya, ra, la, va, ay, av, a, au, e, u, all of that, these are potential sandhi sites. So when you see, analyze this word kundrayasyare, the potential sites are ya and ya here. Kundrayasi is, by practice you will come to know that kundrayasi is a verb. Pathasi, dhavasi, vadayasi. Similarly, kundrayasi. Kundrayasi is a verb, so you can separate that out. And then what remains is, when you take out the ya, now this ya is, when ya comes, then it is one of the four letters, ya, va, ra, la. And these four letters come under which sandhi? Yan sandhi. Right. So this is the yan sandhi. Kundrayasi. And then when you take out ya, what remains? A is remaining here. So are. Kundrayasi are. Kundrayasyare. Yan sandhi. Then I shall choose Apl yung apnoti. Apl yung apnoti, the seventh one. Now here you see the purvakshara is l, and then apnoti. Parakshara a. Yada purvaksharam i, u, r, santi, tada yan sandhi bhavati. So apl, the l comes only in one place, which is in the yan sandhi, in the purvakshara. So unless the parakshara is also l, you have to do the yan sandhi. So it becomes what? L changes to the vyanjana la. Aplapnoti. Apla. La and a becomes la. Aplapnoti. Aplapnoti. This is again an imaginary example. Aplapnoti, because apla means a dhatu called apnoti. The dhatu itself is apla. Now this is the famous thing, koti adhipatihi. Koti adhipatihi. What will that be? Purvakshara e, parakshara a. When e is followed by a dissimilar swara, it always changes to ya. So kotya, kotya adhipati. Ya and a joins together to form ya. Kotyadhipatihi. And it is not kotyadhipati, as people might have perceived wrongly. Kotyadhipatihi. It is kotyadhipati. One more is dvit. Dvit. You see here? Again, a potential site is va here. So when va occurs, how do you split it? What is the cousin of, who is the cousin of va? U. Is it not u or u? Either of those two. When you split it, it splits into do, it. Do, va changes to u. What else is remaining in v? E. Dvit. Do it. Do it. It is not do it. Do it. Do it. Is it the do it or is it do it? It is the hrasva variant. Why is that? That is because do is actually a prefix in Sanskritam. It's not actually a prefix, but you can consider it to be a prefix. Like when you say dukring karane in the Bhajagovindam, you say dukring, right? So that do there before kring is the prefix there, somewhat like a prefix. So that, and there is no prefix called do. Hence you just write it as do it, because it is an external sandhi. But how will you know if it is an external sandhi or an internal sandhi? Again, that I can't answer it but the only satisfying answer is only with practice. Everything comes with practice. Then matyaha, mati aha, mati aha. Then shuddha shuddhatam vimrishata. Find out what these statements are, if they are true, the falsity or the truth of these statements. Ete yung icchanti is equal to et icchanti. Is it right? You would feel it is right because Yand Sandhi E is there, so Yand Sandhi should have happened. No, the Purvakshara is A. When the Purvakshara is A, always you should do the Ayadi Sandhi. So it becomes and one thing, yes, when you're doing the Ayadi Sandhi, you should also be careful to note if the Parakshara is Hraswa Akara, because that would lead to the Purva Rupa Sandhi. Is it not? Since they are two independent words, the Samskrita Pada, then they are the Purvakshara is A, so the chances of Purva Rupa is more, and but the Parakshara is E and it is not Hraswa. We are relieved, so you have to just do the Ayadi Sandhi again. It becomes A changes to Aya, Aya, Eta Yicchanti. Eta icchanti, etaya, eta icchanti. That is so this statement is wrong. It is not et icchanti, it is eta icchanti. The a is to be heard. Here the a is missing. Eta icchanti. Next. Buddhi plus riddhi. Buddhi plus riddhi. How does it become buddhu pappu? No, it is wrong. You have changed the entire words, which is not allowed in Sanskritam. You shouldn't change the entire words itself. Then Guru Vashtakam. Does it change to Gurva and Ashtakam? You would nod your head maybe, yeah. But no, see here, if you did change it to Gurva and Ashtakam, it would become Gurvashtakam. A and A will become A. But do we see that extra A here? We say Gurvashtakam. Ash. It's not Gurvashtakam. So this is wrong. It should be actually Guru and Ashtakam. It should be a Yand Sandhi. And then I'll choose you. Eta yupekshante. Eta yupekshante. Eighth one. Eta yupekshante. How do you split it? See, when you see Aya, that is a potential site for Ayadi Sandhi. That's it. So where do you see Aya? It comes in A. When A changes in the Ayadi Sandhi, you get Aya. Is it not? See here, when A changes, it changes to Aya. So you get Aya. So you get Eta yupekshante. Ete upekshante. So you're reverse engineering, that's it. Ete upekshante. Ete upekshante. Then I choose Gavau. Gavau. This is quite easy. Gav, Av. Where does Av come? Again in Ayadi Sandhi. Which Akshara brings about Av? Au. We just saw the table. Au. Au brings about Av. So change it to Gau plus Au. Oh, but splitting it as Au and Au would be the Sa Varna, is it not? Wouldn't they be the similar swaras? Yes, they are similar swaras, Au and Au. But Ayadi has no regard for what the Para Akshara is. So it can be Au, it can be A, anything. The only thing that matters is the Purvakshara should be A, I, O, Au. So it is Gav. So yes, it is Gau plus Au. Au plus Au. Gau plus Au. Then in the 8th exercise, I would say that Prastavaha. Prastavaha. What did you get your answers as? Prastavaha. see, again avaha comes. Ava. Where does ava come? When au has been modified. When au has undergone a transformation, avaha av comes. So you just reverse engineer. So what would you get? You say retrosynthesis in chemistry, right? Like that. Prastau plus aha. So what remains in avaha, aha? So just write prastau and aha. Prastau, aha, prastavaha. The rest are quite simple. I would say if I have to do another, I would choose this 9th one. Vishayananye indriyagnishu. Now the Purvakshara is A. Now we are not considered with what the other aksharas that join A are. So just keep it simple. We'll just say Ye or Anye plus Indriya. Let's just do that. In the end, we can just combine the remaining aksharas. So Anye plus Indriya. So what is that? When A changes to Aya, it is the Ayadi Sandhi. So when A is in the Purvakshara and there is anything else in the Para, any other Swara, then it is the Ayadi Sandhi. So you should change it as A changes to Aya. So Anyaya, Anyai, Vishayananyai Indriyagnishu, Vishayananyai Indriyagnishu. There comes another Ya in between. In the place of plus, you put another Ya and remove the A symbol because it just becomes Aya. Vishayananya indriyagnishu. Vishayananya indriya. Anyai indriyagnishu. Anyai. Not the swara I. Anyai. Aya. Vishayananya indriyagnishu. If it is difficult to pronounce, then we can use the shortcut of deleting the ya because it is the ayadi sandhi. You can delete the extra ya which comes here and just say vishayananya. That's it. And then indriyagnishu. Vishayananya indriyagnishu. Vishayananya indriyagnishu. That's simpler. Then the ninth exercise, I would say I want to choose the easiest one. So I'll go for the 12th one. Tejasvina vadhitam. Tejasvina vadhitam. Now this is the famous prayer, the Shanti prayer in Sanskritam of the Vedas. Tejasvina vadhitam astu ma vidvishavahai. Now how will you split that? Whenever you see av, v, I, all of that, it should immediately come to your mind that ayadi sandhi has happened. So nava has happened. So take out ava and put au there. So tejasvinau, and then adhitam. What remains after taking away au? A. So adhitam, tejasvinau, adhitam. And one more I'll do here. Third one, ime asaktaha. Again, A becomes aya because it is the ayadi sandhi. Imaya asaktaha. Imaya. A changes to aya. Imaya saktaha. Imaya saktaha. Imaya saktaha. If that is difficult, you can always do the deletion choice. You can always use that and delete the extra ya which comes and pause it. It will become then ima asaktaha, which probably is simpler. In the next video, we shall discuss the 10, 11, 12 and 13 exercises. And at the end, you can also say how many you got right. Your marks under of all of these that we have discussed, you can showcase and pat your backs of how well you have understood the sandhis. Dhanyavada.